NVC is a lighting manufacturer.
Mr. James, it is our pleasure today to meet you in Unboxing MENA. Could you please tell us more about your company and your products?
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here, Chloe. Nice to meet you. NVC is a lighting manufacturer. We are based in China, where we have our own factories, and we supply an enormous range of lighting. Everything you might need for residential, commercial, and industrial projects, indoor lighting as well as outdoor lighting. And we're having a really busy time here at the show today.
And what is your opinion about the first day in Project Lebanon? And is it your first time?
Personally, it's my first time in Lebanon, but my colleagues have been here many, many times before. The show so far has been really busy. We've had a lot of people coming to visit us. I think there's a lot of interest in good quality but economically priced LED lighting products. So I think we're in the right place at this show at the right time here in 2019, and it's been very busy and very good for us so far. Thank you.
Thank you.